Hi Tim, my name's Kyle with Millsap Digital Marketing here in Scottsdale. I wanted to reach out and make you a video that's going to bring you and your business value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personally build and optimize a website, drive in traffic, which will generate leads for your business. I want to start off with this platform here. It's one of many platforms you can choose from to build a website. I picked this one because it's very user-friendly, very easy to navigate, and has tons of templates you can choose and build from. So it's called snaps.ai. If you'd like, you sign up, and when you sign up and sign in, it'll take you to this. This is going to be their home screen here. All you have to do is just go over to create a website, and it's going to give you numerous templates you can choose from. As you can see, they have tons and tons of options. But I went over here and I typed in lawn, and we have a lawn care template that popped up, so I chose that one. I feel with sprinkler, irrigation, repair, installation, it would be very easy to build on this website. All you'd have to do is add your business name in, your business phone number. You're basically just filling in the blanks. And obviously, you would have to switch out some content, to make it to your, to cater to your clientele. And when you do put content on, I do recommend that you put at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. Just because in Google's eyes, content's king. And the ones with the most content are going to be the ones with the most authority on the topic. Google, they want to give its users the best experience possible by ensuring that it has everything that they need when they go to that website. But just not content alone. You also need your buyer intent keywords inside that content. Buyer intent keywords are very important. It's what people are searching for on the Google search bar. That's a buyer intent keyword. And I have some examples here. This tool is called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs, it buys data from Google. It is a paid tool that we use since we are in the industry. One of the features is it allows us to search for these buyer intent keywords. So I just briefly typed in Irrigation Phoenix, and here's just a couple of examples of these keywords that should be inside your content. You have Irrigation Repair Phoenix being searched 200 times, Irrigation Repair Phoenix AZ 30 times, and that's a month. Per month, this is the search volume. And you have all sorts of different ways. You could find irrigation services, irrigation supplies, installations. You even have your sprinkler repair keywords, sprinkler installation keywords. So there's numerous different types of keywords that you can find and put inside that content. So again, when Google scans your page, they can find these keywords and rank you accordingly on Google. Now I went over to Phoenix, and I typed in sprinkler repair Phoenix. And this is the guy, he's ranked in the #1 spot in the organic search. And this is Sprinkler Repair Doctor. I just want to show you his homepage. And as you can see, he has tons and tons of content because, well, content's king. And another really important thing I wanted to show you is he has location pages. So he has built each individual page for each individual city to rank in these cities. So he's found all across the board in all these different cities. Now, we also use Ahrefs to check to see what's going on behind the scenes of these websites. And this is going to bring me to my next tip, and that's backlinks. Backlinks is what gives your website power. And so a backlink is a link throughout the web that when clicked on will bring the user back to your website. They are very important. It's having a popularity contest. The ones with the most backlinks wins most of the time. Google's looking at other sites that are pointing at you and vouching for you, saying, hey, they're actually a really trustworthy website and they offer a great service. But not all backlinks are created equal. Google, they want to see backlinks that are relevant to you, such as other landscaping companies or irrigation websites that have links linking back to you. Now, right now, Sprinkler Doctor, they have a URL rating of 21, and this is how powerful his site is. This is a domain rating, and this is how trustworthy his website is. So you want these two numbers as close together as possible. You want to shoot for a ratio of 1. At this moment, since he has all those location pages, he has about 800 people coming onto his website per month just through an organic search alone. Google's finding them for 820 buyer intent keywords. And now he has 153 referring domains, giving them a total of 2,400 backlinks. Now, if these backlinks are good enough to rank him to the #1 spot, they're good enough to rank your website to the #1 spot. So how do you get those? Well, you go into the referring domains, And each and every one of these websites has a link linking people back to his website. And you can do the exact same with yours. All you'd have to do is go into each and every website. Some, you just have to create a profile and you can add your website in that way. Others, you might have to go to the contact us, email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise on their website. And there are free tools that you can use to get this done. If you just Google backlink checker or keyword finder, you can find the free tools that you need to be able to get this done yourself. Now, my last tip for you is to get to the #1 spot in the Google Map Pack. Now, I saw that you are located in Goodyear. So in Goodyear, you'd want to get to the #1 spot in the Google Map Pack. If I can get it pulled up here, and that's this area here. So say my sprinkler is broken in my yard, and I need somebody to come out and fix it, but I don't know anybody, and I'm new to Phoenix. So I'm going to go to the Google search bar. I'm going to type in sprinkler repair Phoenix. This is going to be the very first thing that pops up. So immediately I'm going to see D&L sprinkler system repair. They have 57 reviews, almost 5 stars. Then you have the sprinkler fixer with 92 reviews, 5 stars. To me, it seems like a no-brainer. I'm going to call these companies first to come and bid on the job and give me a quote on how much it's going to cost to fix my irrigation system. So how do you get to this #1 spot here? You need more citations than your competition has. And all a citation is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number listed in directories throughout the web. Some examples of directories would be like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, White Pages, Yellow Pages. Even social media is considered a directory nowadays. So I hope this was helpful for you. Just a quick recap. You can corner your market by building out a website with those location pages. Make sure you add 1,500 words of content with those buyer intent keywords. Then get all the backlinks your competition has and get them linking back to you. And finally, add your business name, your business address, and your business phone number, all spelled exactly the same, all across the internet in more directories than your competition has. If you follow these tips, you will blow your competition out of the water. You will drive in traffic and create business leads for your company. So you're probably wondering what you can do now. Oh, I hope you take this information and apply it. I totally encourage you to do that. It does take some time to do. I would advise getting started sooner than later, only because it does take time to get your website to the top of Google. So if you have any questions or you need any sort of help, you are more than welcome to reach out to us. Our phone number is 480-605-0508. Thanks for watching, Tim.